Hey everyone, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you a Powerbot tutorial on how to add scripts through the Java program Eclipse. If you'd like any information upon where I got the links or anything about that kind of sort, check the description below and I'll be happy to provide everything for you. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to PM me or email me, as my email will be in the description as well. Alright, here we go. You're first going to want to start off by obviously downloading the Rsbot 4008, which is the current version. However, at the date of this watching, it may be different. Once you've downloaded that, you're going to want to get the program Eclipse. The direct link for Eclipse will be in the description below. Just go download it and pause the video or whatever. But once you're done, come back to this video and I'll continue. Alright, once you have Eclipse down, you're going to want to obviously double click the folder and open the Eclipse program itself. However, if it gives you an error, it usually means that your JDK or Java is not updated correctly to the correct version. This is easy, as I'll put both links for the Java and JDK that you need to run this program. Once you get those programs, you're going to want to double click Eclipse and it should start up. It's going to ask you to select the workspace. This is basically where you save all your progress if you've never used Eclipse before, and it saves everything that you've done if your computer shuts off or anything along that sort. I usually put mine at the desktop. Just click OK. It will then load and start up to this blue screen. Once here, it should tell you a little bit about the program, what's new, and some of that sort. You're going to want to click Go to Workbench. Once you're here, this is easily accessible for every script you possibly need for Rsbot, and a lot can be contained in here. You're going to want to go up to File, New, Java Project. You're going to want to have Use Default Location ticked, because the location is at your desktop, which is where you're going to be putting all your folders. The project name you're going to want is going to be Rsbot Scripts. Then click Finish. It will give you an Rsbot Scripts folder on your desktop for you to put all your information in, and I'm pretty sure it contains just these 5 files for now. You're now going to want to go into your Rsbot Scripts folder and drag Rsbot 4008 into the folder. Once you've done that, you're going to want to open a new Notepad document. The text I'm using for this Notepad document will be in the description below. This is simply telling the bot you're going to want to run it in development mode. After you've done that, go to File, Save As, and save it as run.bat. Make sure you're in the correct section. Save. Now, to make sure run.bat and Rsbot are combined together, you're just going to want to take this and put it over this. I don't believe it does anything, however it makes you feel a little more concerned. You can go ahead and minimize that, go back to your Eclipse file, and go to Rsbot Scripts, and go down to Properties. Once here, go to Java Build Path, Libraries, Add External JREs. JARs, my bad. Simply go to your folder that you see the Rsbot Scripts, and select the Rsbot 4008.java and open it. Then click OK. Once you do this, it'll give you a different folder as well as a few SRC files. From here, you're going to want to right click on SRC and go to Properties. Sorry guys, you're going to want to right click on SRC, go to New, Class. For the name, it's going to depend entirely on the script you use. For this example, I'm going to be using a script called Frozen Architect. You're going to want to copy the whole entire script, and then once you copy it, you're also going to want the name. As for me, it's Frozen Architect, so I'm going to put, for the name, Frozen Architect. Then click Finish. It will give you a .java folder that contains a few coding, but not much. Once you copy the entire script, you're going to want to paste it here. Depending on the type of script you have, it could give you a few errors, however it couldn't. Depending on what kind of script it is, all different scripting has coded. You can go through and usually fix the errors that it gives you. It should also give you some warnings, however I don't think warnings affect anything. You just go through and kind of find what it does for you. I don't think errors really matter, so at this point you're going to want to go to File, Save, and it will save all the work that you just did here. Now go back to your desktop and go to your Rsbot scripts folder. From here, double click the run.bat file. It will then open a command prompt that states all of your Powerbot materials as well as start Powerbot itself. As it says, add a tab to start a new bot. You're going to then want to click the tab at the top left of the Rsbot prompt. This will then load the game, and then I believe your script will be there as well. Go into Run and attempt to find your script. Frozen Architect is right here. That's what I added, and as you can see, it works. It's an AIO construction bot, and hopefully this helped you guys. I know it definitely helped me. I just learned how to do it. If you have any problems or concerns, feel free to PM me on Skype or just email me, as that will be in the description as well. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. I hope I helped you out, and yeah, on we go. Alright, goodbye.